a ShedTime story.
Alrighty, First Officer Squeaks. What are the weather conditions?
The sun is shining with a light breeze out of the northwest. Perfect spring day to fly, Captain.
Okay then, prepare for takeoff.
According to my precise calculations, this paper plane is going to fly super far. Tally-ho!
Oh, try it like this, Nature Cat.
Baby! Ichi! I'm not sure how this helps launch a plane, Hal.
No, it doesn't. I just got very itchy.
Hal! You're losing your fur!
That's funny. I wonder why.
I think you're just shedding, Hal. Lots of animals do it.
Shedding sure is itchy.
Well, maybe you just need good brushing.
Oh, brushing time!
Oh, that feels so much better.
All right, Hal, let's go play. Hal? Well, if you're here, then what's this?
That's my fur. Oh, I bet I can weave it into a friendship bracelet.
A bracelet? Hal, that's your fur. It came off of your body.
I'll say it did.
This is my worst nightmare. I'm hairless. Never leave me, fur. Never leave me.
I'm sure Hal's fur is fine. It's like Daisy said, he's just shedding.
No, when you shed, you lose a little fur here and there. But this is a whole pile of fur. Look at it. That's a lot of fur.
Well, when I brushed him, some of his fur flew in the air, so maybe he has, furry flu? I don't know.
The furry flu?
The furry what's a furry now?
Stop! Don't come any closer. The furry flu could be contagious.
There's no such thing as the furry flu, Nature Cat, so it can't be itchy.
Can't be itchy. I mean, what does that even mean? Is itchy even a word?
Itchy!
It is contagious. Now you have the furry flu too.
I'm just itchy. Nothing a little fur brushing won't help. Come on, Squeaks. Brushing time! Much better.
No, it is not. Look at how much fur fell out.
Oh, I bet I could weave a friendship necklace out of this.
I'm just shedding, Nature Cat. Look!
We gotta get out of here, Squeaks.
Why, Nature Cat?
Because if we catch the furry flu, just think what will happen.
We're hairless. Let's get out of here before we catch the furry flu.
Wait, Nature Cat! Squeaks! Come back!
You mind if we hide in your leaf pile?
Oh, help yourself.
Nature Cat! Squeaks! Where are you guys?
Itchy. Oh, getting itchy again.
Itchy! Me too.
Can't let the fur touch me.
I don't see them anywhere.
Let's check this way.
Are they gone?
Yep, all clear.
Thanks for the hiding spot, dear.
You're welcome, darling.
Oh, well, I wasn't calling you dear as a term of affection. I was calling you dear because you are a dear.
Itchy. Why, yada?
Well, you don't have to get upset.
No, I'm not upset. Excuse me for a moment.
His coat. It's patchy.
Another one. Let's get out of here.
Bye-bye.
Look! The deer is losing his fur just like us.
Oh, I bet I could weave a friendship potholder out of this.
I wonder if the deer is shedding too.
Well, wonder no more. The answer is yes.
That's what I thought.
You two also?
Oh, yeah, me too also.
But why are you losing so much fur?
Well, in the fall, I grow a thicker coat to help me stay warm through the winter. But when spring comes, I don't need so many layers of hair, so I shed the extra fur.
Cool.
Yep, rubbing like this helps me get the fur off that I don't need in the summer. And take a look. My summer coat is coming in quite nicely, if I say so myself.
Hey, looking good. Your summer coat's more red.
I always wanted to be a redhead, wink, wink.
See, I told you, Hal. We're just shedding because it's spring.
Yeah, shedding. Come on, we have to tell Squeaks and Nature Cat.
Oh, that was a close call.
Come on, let's hide in here.
Keep an eye out for Ichi.
Ichi? Who's Ichi?
Uchi.
Oh, no. Are you?
Ichi.
Ah, you're losing your fur, too.
yeah.
Let me out of here.
Ay, 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 do I feel itchy?
Not you too, squirrel.
Yes, me too. Does this answer your question?
Oh, Nature Cat, we've been looking for you.
Nature Cat, come back!
Where's Squeaks?
Here I am.
No, what's wrong, Squeaks?
I have the furry flu too. And soon me, you, and Daisy and that squirrel are all gonna lose all our fur.
We are?
Yes, and just think how we'll look, Hal. Think how we'll look.
We're hairless! This is so weird! I don't want to lose all my fur!
Me neither.
No, we're not going to lose all our fur. We're just shedding, remember?
But what if we shed all our fur at once? Then we will be hairless!
Whoa, easy, big boy. When you shed, you don't lose all your hair at once.
Wait, you don't?
Nuh-uh. It happens a little at a time. Our fur is an outer cover that protects us.
Like a furry suit of armor.
Kind of. And sometimes we need more fur, like when it's cold. How you like me now? Sometimes we need less, like when it's warm. And sometimes we just gotta be a little fancier to get a date. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa! I can't believe our fur can do all that.
Let's go tell Nature Cat the good news.
Wait, I need some more of this fur first. I'm gonna weave a friendship blanket.